hanging out in the kitchen again, waiting for my food that I'm, cooking in the microwave. Thinking about how I even got here. I did a skincare thing today, like removing my makeup, my Allies of Skin. And I can't even believe that doing the first advertisement that I did for them in July was the beginning of how I ended up in Los Angeles. They were able to contact me through Instagram after watching that ad, emailing me, and for some reason I was in my feelings because that ad was in my healing era. So it was hashtag in my healing era because Allies of Skin is just bomb like that. It's about healing your skin, your body, everything. And when I got an email from Faith Forward International, I immediately opened up to a gentleman I did not know and said, yeah, well, this isn't actually an accident. And I'm trying to work my way out of where I am, and there's a lot happening. No reason to open up to him except he sent me a very kind email. And I had no idea that they were considering bringing me here for surgery. I mean, it's like winning the lottery, literally, because these surgeons are like best in the world. I thought that I was going to be able to help spread awareness of Face Forward in a different way as an ambassador or something, so we could reach out and help other people around the world. But when I finally had the meeting with the CEO of Face Forward, her name is Mandy, I thought we were sitting down to discuss an ambassadorship. And when I told her that it wasn't an accident, we were discussing fixing my nose. Me. Sorry, microwave. Like I told you. And within 40 days of that first phone call with Mandy, I was pulling into the driveway here in Los Angeles where I live at no cost to me, which is great because I need to save money so I can find a place to live. Not to go into too much detail, but this is what Faith Forward does for people. There's another lady here who is an acid attack survivor. More people are coming through. But it all started with hashtag in my healing era. And, I advertise when I do sponsored ads, it is for companies that I believe in and I use. And Allies of Skin is more than that. They are so kind and truly interested in helping people. So just standing in my kitchen, microwaving a Marie Callender's meal, thinking about that. And maybe that's the way my thoughts are going to go down every evening from now on. Beautiful Life Diaries. Love y'all.